برطانیہ کے ہائی کمیشن نے LAC پر ہوئی جھڑپ پر رد عمل ظاہر کیا ہے۔ کمیشن نے اس پورے معاملے پر تشویش کا اظہار کیا ہے۔ برطانیہ کے ہائی کمیشن کے مطابق ہند چین کو سرحد پر جڑے مسائل پر بات چیت کرنی چاہیے کیونکہ تشدد سے کچھ حاصل نہیں ہوگا۔
Countries have concerns on how they resolve because both countries also have a huge military power. So if there is a war, there is total destruction on the part of China and India. So many countries have naturally expressed concern on this issue. That is quite obvious. But of course, this will be resolved because the leaderships in China and India are mature enough. They do not need any outside support. So they will sort this out sooner than later.
I think the greater focus must be on Chinese intentions, their attitudes. And we've seen that this time, particularly, they are behaving extremely violently. It could not be something that's being planned at the local level. I'm sure they have given these instructions from their top leaders. Also consider the fact that this incident is taking place in the Galwan River Valley and in an area where the LAC was considered settled. There has never been a dispute on where the LAC lies. So are the now Chinese looking to change the alignment of the LAC even in those areas that were settled, and particularly in Galwan Valley, which is strategically very important to us?
The point which is important to us, I'll make 3 points. Firstly, never, never, never trust the Chinese leadership and the PLA. The Indian team which went to talk to them in the evening, and when they were discussing, where was the need for Chinese PLA, whatever number were there, to start using stones, iron rods and so on? There are two things. Either the top leadership or the top army leadership of PLA did not tell the PLA that we have spoken, our commanders have spoken on 6th of June. So there was a communication gap. Secondly, it is quite likely that there is a lack of leadership. There is a lack of leadership in the PLA at the ground level.